Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having another great day today. Well, today is a great day for me. Yeah, baby. Just got that update installed in my vehicle. And so right now I'm just going to open it up and go through it. And you can join me as I do this. And I haven't opened it up yet. And so as you can see by the screen, it still has a system update successful. And see what's new. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to see what's new. Very excited about this. Yeah. Okay, and this just goes over the details of what was installed. And it has reimagined driver app modes, and a lot of you probably already seen a lot of this stuff here already. Mode selector and controls. The driver selector now is redesigned with the focus on accessibility and usability. And so also we have a new gauge view here. And the all-new gauge view on the right side of the screen provides real-time data visualization of the vehicle. And that's what I'm most excited about. That data, being able to really see it, and you can really analyze a lot of different things that's going on with the vehicle. Really excited about that. And towing, and I do have a trailer, and I will be testing this out. What I plan on doing is going to a weigh station and weighing my vehicle, and then come back with the trailer, and then weigh the trailer, and then see how accurate Rivian is with their gasometer to determine how heavy the trailer is. But yeah, so towing and the app for the truck bed view, really excited about that. Something I really have been wanting. And let me see, adaptive range estimates improvement to navigation. And it just goes over some additional improvements to the elevation audio system to reduce audio quality issues coming from the overhead speakers. And that's, I guess it's only applicable if you had the elevation audio system, which I do have the elevation system in this vehicle here. While in car wash mode, the door handles now present when unlocking from the exterior sources, such as the key card, key band, and key fob. Okay. All right, and a few other issues that they fixed also. And it says, when pumpkins light their glowing eyes for the season of Halloween, look where you can go to customize to find the secret thing. A riddle. Wait a minute. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so we have a little clue right here. And that looks like the gear guard, Gary, right there. Interesting. Okay, so now I'm going to just go into some of these driver modes and see what we have. And it says, welcome to the new Drive Mode app. Feature packed and ready to explore. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Assess on-road and off-road modes, plus trailer profiles for towing. Okay. All purpose. And it says tap or swipe to change the drive modes. Okay. And change setting to customize each drive mode. Okay, let's see. And discover real-time vehicle data and all new performance gauges. And I guess by hitting this, okay. Alrighty, so that's the new screen and really excited about this. And so we're just going to see what we have here. And right now we're on road. So now it looks like we have 3 modes here. We have on-road, off-road, and trailers. And I wonder what this is right here. Oh, not sure. Maybe that's a reset button. I don't know. So we have the three modes here. And in the on-road mode, you have all-purpose. Then you have conserve. Then you have sport mode. And then you have snow mode. And let's go to off-road settings. And this is go off-road. On this automatically raising the vehicle up. That is pretty cool. And you can probably see that. Yeah, this is such a nice vehicle here. But it just raised it to the highest height as soon as I took it to the off-road mode. And it gives you the different roads. Right here I'm on all-terrain. And then you have rock crawl. I'm not in soft sand. Then you have soft sand mode. And you have rally mode. And you have drift mode. And then let's go and see what the trailer screen is like. I don't have a trailer attached. Yeah, but I will be doing that later on, attaching a trailer. I do have a trailer hitch, but my pin is not long enough to fit through it, so I'm going to have to find a new pin from someplace. But yeah, so let's just go back to the on-road screen here. And then we're going to see if... there we go, right there. And so we have this screen here, and it's giving all the data right here. Right now I'm turning the steering wheel, and you can see the angle of the tires. See, right here is the center point. That is so cool right there. That is cool, cool, cool. And right here we have a compass. And right now I'm at 338 degrees. In elevation, of course, it's not showing me an elevation yet. I may have to be moving for that, but I am going to be driving the vehicle just to see what this stuff looks like later on. And also, it has the trip odometer right here, which is awesome. Something I really wanted because before it was really buried into one of the screens. You couldn't find it, but now it's right here. And right here, we have your battery temperature. So it lets you know the temperature of the battery. And also you have the temperature of the motors. And this is a quad motor, so it's going to be displaying the temperature for all motors. Now I can't tell whether or not this is supposed to be the front two motors, and it probably are. And these are the rear two motors. And that may be how it's configured. But that's pretty awesome right there. Okay, now let's go to off-road and see what we have here if we go off-road. And go ahead and turn off stability. And now we have new screens that popped up. We still have the elevation compass and tires and the motor temperature. But now we have pitch and roll. And right now it says I'm at a 2% roll. Let me go ahead and drive out here a bit. They have some a little hilly terrain here, and I'm going to see if it can detect you know, as you can see, my roll is 6%, and it's showing, and I am sitting on a hill. You may not be able to see it, but it's showing the roll just like that, and my pitch is at 1 degree. And let me just get in the steeper part here and see what it does. But this is pretty cool here. Let me go ahead and reverse. Let's see if I can get a little steeper. And then we can take a look at that bed cam. This is right here. You know, this is new. And so I have 3 views, and there's the bed cam right there. That is awesome to be able to get a view of the bed. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And it's just showing at 5%. Yeah, this is pretty awesome right here. To be able to get all this data right here. Really useful if you're off-roading. Haven't off-roaded yet. And I don't have the tires for off-roading. But I eventually plan on getting some. But yeah, just giving a demo here, just of what. Very awesome here. All right, let's go to trailer mode and see what we have here. And it may not be giving me the information I need because it knows the trailer's not attached. I don't know if you can see, but my well, probably barely, my trailer's actually right in front of me. But yeah, let's see what other drift mode. And so right here, like I am going to hook a trailer up, and I'm going to go through all of this stuff here just to see how that works. But yeah, I'll be back a little later, and I'm going to do a road test with this vehicle with the new stuff in here, and we'll just see how all this stuff works. And I'll see you then. Okay. I'm just doing a little test drive during the day with the new features. And I did one at night also, and I'm not sure if I'll make that a separate video or if I just make that a part of this one also. But yeah, this is very nice. This is an excellent addition, and just living it with a bit more, and just I guess being a little spoiled off my Chevy Volt, which I believe their graphics were better with the depiction of where the energy is going. Like one thing I would like to see is perhaps something actually showing the energy going into the battery, just for something to look at, just for the cool factor. So and also addition of adding the amount of kilowatts that are being put back into the battery through the regen. But yeah, this can be improved over time, but this is an excellent step forward as far as the amount of data that you're getting from the vehicle. Yeah, I really love this. This is nerd stuff. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, but before I go, there is something else I'd like to show you, just in case you didn't know, at the end of the video. And I'll see you all back a little later. Okay, I just want to quickly how to get a view of the tail bed camera when the vehicle is in reverse and the tailgate is down. And so first I'm going to open the tailgate up. And it's just dropped, I just felt it. All right, and then I'm going to go to settings. And then you go to vehicle, driver plus, scroll down until you come right here. Automatic cameras, it says show bed view in reverse when tailgate is down. Go ahead and select it. And then now we're going to go back to camera. And you can see right here, we don't have it, but I'm going to go ahead and put the vehicle in reverse. See, there's the view right there with the tailgate down. And I'm going to put the vehicle in reverse, and you see it goes away. Then just go ahead and select it again. And then you can go ahead and reverse the vehicle with the tailgate down. Give you a view of what's behind you better than this view. Not that view, but better than this view right here, which gives you nothing. What is that anyway? You can't see anything. So this is an excellent improvement right here, to be able to pull that up and actually see what's going on behind you when you're backing up. And that's all I have for today. I'd like to thank you for joining me again, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.